Hello, welcome back to my channel, Lomzy. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made this two-piece. In this part 1 we are going to learn how to make the top. In the next tutorial we will learn how to make the palazzo pants. Okay, so to cut this I folded my fabric into 4, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see my fabric is on fold. The two of them are on fold. This will be for the front and the back. And then what I have here is shoulder to the under bust, which is 15.5 inches. But I added extra 1, 2.5 inches to it. 1/2 inch for the upper side and 1/2 inch for the lower side, which is 1 inch. And then 2 inches for it to, so that it will not be squeezing on the body. So next is the width of this from here to here. What I have is 45.5 inches. Can you see? So this, I'm going to use this side as the neckline. So what I'm going to do here is to square this line out. So this is going to be the neckline. So here I'm going to go down. For the back I'm going to go down 1.5 inches. And then for the front I'm going to go down 4.5 inches. Then the neck width, I'm going to make it 4 inches. So I'm going to connect this. This is the back. I'll connect this like this. This is the front. I'm going to connect it like this. So next thing I'm going to do is to do a shoulder slant. I'm going to divide the shoulder width divided by 2, which is 8.5. And then from here I'm going to go down 1 inch for shoulder slope, and I'll mark it like this. I will connect this to this. So I'm just going to connect like this. And I'm going to keep extending this line. Just keep extending it. Just keep extending it. Can see what I have here. Can you see? Good. So next thing we are going to do is to get the round arm. From here I'm going to do round arm divided by 2 plus 1 inch sewing allowance. I have 9 inches. I'll mark it here. From this line I'm going to go in this way. Going this way. Good. Then from here to here, I'm going to do 36 inches or 37, just here like this. So I'm just going to make something like this, just to make a cuff, like a doorman sleeve. I hope you can see what I did there. Exactly. So what I'm going to do for this sleeve to relax properly, I'm going to go in here 1 inch and connect this to this piece. And that is it. So I'm just going to go ahead and add 1/2 inch sewing allowance here. Can you see? So I will cut this out. what I have. So I went ahead to cut out the neckline. Can you guys see the front neckline? So for the back, I opened up this place for zipper allowance. So making it equal is intentional so that I will use this to be for the contouring of the back. I hope you understand. So I'm going to take. So one thing I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do now is to open this up, and I'm going to join this. I'm going to join this way. Sew it here, and also join this like this and sew it. So this is what it's going to look like after sewing it. So what we're going to do now is to use this elastic. I don't really have a measurement for this. All I need to do is just keep stretching my elastic to the elastic limit, and I'm going to place it here in between this place. Just place it in between and keep stretching it to the elastic limit. Just keep pulling it. As you're pulling it, it will be gathering it like that. You understand? So just keep doing it like that, and it will gather like this. So I'll go and do that and show you the next part. So this is how it's going to look after adding the elastic, as you can see. The next thing I'm going to do is to place this like this and close this place. Close the side seam. The same thing on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and close it. And off camera, I have done the binding. So I'll do that and show you. So this is how it's going to look after doing this. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to run gather stitches so that I'll be gathering the lower part. I'll do that and show you. So this is it after gathering it. As you can see, I'm done making the upper part. The next thing we're going to do is to make the band. So make sure to continue watching and don't click off. So let me take this aside and work on the band. So this is the piece I'm going to use. You can see is one single piece. I'll fold it into two and fold it again into four like this, making sure front and back is equal. And then this is going to be the center front and the center back. This is going to be the side. So next thing I'm going to do is to get the waist circumference divided by 4, which is 9 inches plus 1 inch joining allowance, which will make it 10 inches. So I'm going to mark 10 inches here. Then the width of this is going to be 5 inches, 1 inch joining up and down. I hope you understand. Then I'm going to mark it here like this. Okay, let me separate this because I'm going to actually, let's separate this. This is going to be the front. This is going to be the back. So that it will be easy for us to cut it. So I want the length of the band to be 4 inches. Plus 1 inch joining allowance, which will make it 5 right here. And then I'm going to mark it like this. Connect it like so. So now this is going to be for the back, but for the front I want to do something different for the front. So for the front I'm going to go up 2 inches. Let me make it 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. So from here I'm going to connect this here, just like so. This is going to be for the front. So I'm going to cut out the front first. So I'll take this out. This is going to be for the front, and then this is going to be for the back. So it's going to be like this, right? So now we're going to do zipper bunch. You come in here 1 inch and connect it like this. So this is going to be like this. I'm going to notch this place so that I know where the back is. So I'm going to cut 4 pieces of this and 2 pieces of this. So this is how this is going to be. This is 2 pieces now, and this is 4 pieces. So next thing I'm going to do is just first of all, so place this like this and sew it, turn it, and also do the same thing to the back. So this is how it's going to be. I made a mistake to tell you that I sewed this place. It's actually to join the side seam together, and that is what I have done here. Next thing I'm going to do is to sandwich this. You're going to turn this like this, sew and sandwich this inside this place so that you have a very clean finishing. So I will do that, and it will be remaining the lower part. So this is how it's going to look. Can you see? And the inside is neatly done. So if you want to leave this as a band, all you need to do is to hem this inside. You hem it inside and stitch it. That way you will close up the raw edge, and then you go ahead and fix your zip. But for me, this, what we have on the thumbnail, this is going to have gathers below. So what you're going to do is, whatever the waistline is, times that by 3 or 4 or 2, depends on how you want your gather to be. I have gone ahead and done mine, so I'm going to go ahead and join it to the lower part. Can you see? So this is how this is going to look. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to cut and sew the baggy pant trouser. If you have not watched part 1, make sure to watch it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe and follow me if you're not. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. This is the final look of the top. Remember, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to cut and sew the pants trouser. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.